Global foreign exchange market is the largest financial market in the world. Banks, financial corporations, and governments make billions of dollars annually. Exclusive funds and private trading companies take advantage of Forex risk, reward flexibility, leverage, and profit compounding to create massive gains for their clients. Our group of professionals believe success in the trillion-dollar Forex market should be accessible to everyone. We use the same technology and trading strategies for the benefit of its own members. Whether you want to trade like a pro, or leave the hard work to our pros, you'll find an option that's a perfect fit for your level of interest in Forex trading. If you're ready to master Forex yourself, our professionally done academy is accessed through our accredited online university. Our professional trading platform is completely transparent, broadcasting trades in real time for all to see in your back office. If you've ever had the desire to profit in the global Forex market, but the complexity of Forex held you back, what we have is designed for you. Here's to your trading success. Want to open your own account and earn passively 5 days a week? Get back to the person that took the time to share this with you.